couple of days back, I in fact felt that I was at a very low TPS. I didn't know the definition until you told me today. I felt a lot of your presence.
That's good.
There's a lot of...
The moment you come down to the low TPS, you will see that I will be there.
And it was very buzzing. It was very... you felt like you're high or...
That's right.
Like
High.
And then I took a major decision in that.
High.
Nothing
You know, you
was
see,
not wrong.
whenever in the high moments you take any decision, it always helps you. In the low moments, never take any decision. In too much of TPS, never take any decision. Don't take any decision when the TPS is high. Take just, when you are in any tension, any problem, relax. Bring down the TPS level. Then decide. Then take any decision. Never do any decision making regarding any subject in your life when the TPS is high. Intelligence will be low. Intellect will be there, but intelligence will be low.
You can aim properly.
Hmm?
You can aim properly.
Or you are afraid. Somebody else's stone will come on you. Don't bother. Unless you are worthy, it will not come to you. Somewhere or other you must be worthy of that. I may not aim properly, but the stone touched by my hand knows where to travel. See, Rama actually doesn't know how to aim, but Ramabana has got intelligence. Because of his hand, Ramabana gets the intelligence, so that directly travels and does the job and comes back. So it's a Ramabana. I may not know how to aim, but I know how to give intelligence to the stone. All these are stories, but only we have to have. Don't bother.
So Swami, when you said that we hear what we want to hear in the discourse, is it based on what we expect? What does it differentiate?
You can't understand, relax. Understand this much, that's enough. Now just give a gist of what I spoke last 10 minutes. Can you? No, give a gist.
Swami, you spoke about love, actually.
This is the gist from your setup. And if I ask somebody else, they will give a different gist. Means what? You are recorded only what you want to record. What you want to listen. So you have not heard what I spoke. You heard only what you want. Actually, when the TPS comes down, 24 hours you will have the same flirting mood. That ecstatic mood. If the TPS is up, even when you are near, you will be only tensed. You will be only attention. Actually, one more thing. Even the flirting can bring down the TPS. That's one more technique. Of course, I won't speak about the technique much. It's enough. Utterly relaxed just by the deep divine presence of the Master, asking nothing more. Just you are enough. Your presence is enough. You being around me or me being around you is enough. With such a deep, relaxed, utter relaxation, without any possessiveness. You should never have that feeling, oh, that person should not come, this person shouldn't come. With a deep mood of sharing, when you are around him, simply the TPS falls down.
We would like to leave all the problems to you, Swami.
Now those fools use weapons only to kill. I am here to use everything to heal. Why do you think I kept all the weapons in my throne? All those weapons cried that time. We have been corrupted totally, just use killing, drinking those bloods, and we have been corrupted. Then I said, all right, next time I will use you for healing, and let you guys be liberated from the sin of Hatyas.
You are healing them, Swami.
That's all. Now they are liberated from the Brahma Hatya and all Hatya, all Hati doshas, by being used for healing. Yes. That's why I put all the weapons in my throne. Let them all be blessed. Otherwise, these guys are sick of continuously killing others. And actually, if you continuously kill others, naturally you feel sick. How long you can do that? That's all. So now we will enter into the next prana. Next level TPS. See, this is a nice technique. Again. Okay. Now this is a wonderful technique. And for this technique, a small rule. No question of opening the eyes and moving from that place. Till I say, move. Now I'm going to attend one function in Bangalore.
Very grand new technique.
A small function in Bangalore. So soon I will come back.
It's not in Mysore, sir.
Soon I will come back and move you from your places. It's a very simple technique. Very simple technique. I will guide you first step by step. I will guide you first step by step. 4 steps. You have 4 prana movements in your system. The prana going in, prana taking turn, prana coming out, and again prana taking turn. You understand what I say? You have 4 movements. Prana going in, taking turn, going out, again taking turn. You are supposed to witness all these 4 movements. First I will guide you, you will witness only prana going in. Next you will start witnessing only the prana taking turn. Next you will witness only prana coming out. Next you will witness only prana taking turn. Step by step, first 5 minutes you will witness only this point. Let everything, all the 4 will continuously be happening. But you don't have to witness, you don't have to be aware about other 3 things. You can relax in other 3 points. But this point you have to be aware. Next 5 minutes, the second, only the turning, you have to be aware. Third, only this going out, the exhaling you have to be aware. Fourth, only the taking turn, you have to be aware. Understand very clearly. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. After 20 minutes, you have to be aware of all the 4 movements. You should not miss even single movement. Same awareness. I am drilling with the prana techniques. First the Anna techniques, Annamaya techniques. The grass level. Now the same awareness, same technique. I am same old wine in the new bottle. I am working with the prana level. Working with the prana level. Then we will work next with the different levels. Now we are working on the prana level. Understand? When I gave this technique to our few of our devotees some 6 months ago, I put them in this technique and went away. More than 11 hours they were just sitting. You do not know, you yourself will forget everything. You will forget the 11 hours past. And I give you the freedom. The moment you feel like coming out, you can open your eyes, go and go out. Understand? The moment you feel totally bored or you are not able to sit anymore, you can go out. But see, you will not even feel that. You will not even feel that. Don't even bother to give importance to that thought. Even when that thought comes, witness it. Sit. Don't let any thought rise in your being. Just relax. Just sit. Any doubt in the technique? Any doubt? If you want to go and sit in the chair, sit them itself. Because I don't know how long you are going to sit.
In between, we can't change the position.
No 1, 2, 3, no 1, no 2, no 3. All here itself.
Here also, we can't change the position.
You can change them. I think better not to.
So Swami, if we get some thoughts when we do it, just
Witness.
Inhaling and exhaling, we are able to follow that.
That's what I'm telling, that this 5 minutes of what to say, that guiding you will give you that awareness in the turning point. Ordinary breathing. It will become automatically deep. No, don't have to bother. It will happen automatically. You will see the deep breathing. You will even feel that the wheezing is happening in you. Whenever the awareness becomes too much, sort of a mild wheezing happens in you. One day, suddenly I had a wheezing in your house when I was staying. That early morning, this guy started shouting. Oh Baba, hilarious. That Sunday, they started shouting. Oh, I got up. I am here, why are they shouting so loud? Anyhow. Really, they started shouting so loudly. Still I remember that incident. I had a shock. I thought something seriously wrong happened to somebody. It's a great blessing. You can never forget God. But little torturous, na? Torturous, remember.
only nose.
Yes, naturally you will do only through nose. Only that hole is used for breathing. Breathing in.
Every different action.
You're really saying we do not go to the bathroom, no matter how many hours.
Now quick then. Rush. No, after that you will not feel like. Because I am locking all the keys. All the locks. Alright. Close your eyes. Lock the body. Just visualize. You have a lock in the knee and you are locking it. You have a lock in the back and you are locking it. You have a lock in the shoulder and you are locking it. Visualize. Step by step your body is getting locked. Feel the lock and key sound. Tak-tak, tak-tak. Your body is just locked. All your joints are just locked with a key. You are almost becoming a statue in the same sitting position. Feel your neck is locked. Both shoulders are locked. Backbone is locked. Knees are locked. And just locked. That's all. Just lock your whole body. From toe to head. Lock all the joints. Visualize you are locking all the joints. Lock literally. Lock your body completely.